How can we lead a fulfilling life amidst the constant ebb and flow of challenges and uncertainties? This question, my friends, is as old as humanity itself. At every stage of existence, humans have sought answers, yearned for a compass to guide them through the labyrinth of life. This quest for fulfillment, for a life of virtue and contentment, is universal. Enter Stoicism, a philosophy born in the heart of ancient Greece, a time-tested beacon illuminating the path to a fulfilling life. Stoicism isn't just a theoretical concept gathering dust in the annals of history. No, it's a practical philosophy, a way of life, one that can guide us in our personal development, decision-making, and even investing. In the realm of personal development, Stoicism encourages us to cultivate virtues such as wisdom, courage, self-discipline, and justice. These aren't just lofty ideals, but practical tools that empower us to live in accordance with nature, to accept the things that are beyond our control, and to focus our energies on the things we can change. But Stoicism isn't confined to personal development alone. It extends its guiding hand into the world of decision-making. It teaches us to make rational choices based on reason and logic, rather than being swayed by emotions or external circumstances. And believe it or not, Stoicism has profound implications for investing. It nudges us to focus on long-term goals and strategies, to maintain emotional equilibrium during market fluctuations, and to accept the inherent uncertainty of the market. Stoic investors strive to make rational decisions based on their own research and analysis, rather than being influenced by short-term market trends or the actions of others. So, as we embark on this journey of life, amidst the unpredictable waves of challenges and uncertainties, where do we turn for guidance? To navigate life's unpredictable waters, we turn to the wisdom of the ancient Stoics. Let's dive into the Stoic principles that foster personal growth. One of the cornerstones of Stoicism is the cultivation of 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, self-discipline, and justice. Wisdom, in the Stoic sense, is not just about acquiring knowledge but using it aptly to navigate life's complexities. It's about discernment, knowing what's within our control and what's not. Courage, on the other hand, is not solely about bravery in the face of danger. It's about moral courage, standing up for what's right even when it's unpopular or challenging. It's about resilience, facing life's difficulties head-on without losing heart. Self-discipline, the third virtue, is about mastering our desires and impulses. It's about aligning our actions with our principles, not allowing fleeting pleasures to derail us from our long-term goals. It's about exercising restraint and moderation, fostering a sense of balance in our lives. Justice, the final virtue, is about treating others with fairness, respect, and dignity. It's about recognizing our interconnectedness and the shared humanity that binds us all. It's about contributing positively to the world around us, making it a better place for everyone. A key aspect of Stoicism is accepting the things that are beyond our control. This doesn't mean adopting a defeatist attitude, but rather, understanding that there are certain things we can't change. Instead of fretting over them, we should focus our energy on the things we can control, like our reactions, our attitudes, our decisions. This brings us to the Stoic principle of living in accordance with nature. It's not about retreating to the wilderness, but about understanding our place in the world, recognizing our limitations and potential, and harmonizing our lives with the natural order of things. It's about authenticity, living true to ourselves and not being swayed by societal pressures or expectations. By embodying these principles, we cultivate an unshakable inner resilience. This resilience enables us to weather life's storms with grace and poise, to find peace amidst chaos, and to lead a life of purpose, virtue, and fulfillment. It's not about escaping challenges, but about growing through them, becoming stronger, wiser, and more compassionate in the process. How does Stoicism guide us to make rational decisions? Well, Stoicism urges us to make sound choices rooted in reason and logic, rather than being swayed by fleeting emotions or external influences. By keeping our heads cool, we can see the situation for what it truly is, without the noise and distraction of temporary factors. This philosophy also emphasizes the importance of a long-term vision. In a world where instant gratification is the norm, Stoicism reminds us to consider the enduring consequences of our actions. It prompts us to ask ourselves, will this decision still make sense 5, 10, or 20 years down the line? Moreover, Stoicism teaches us to prioritize what is truly important. It encourages us to cut through the clutter of life's many choices and focus on those that align with our values and long-term goals. In essence, Stoic decision-making leads us to choices that align with our values and long-term goals. It provides a compass for navigating life's complex decision-making landscape. Now let's explore how Stoicism influences our approach to investing. Stoicism, with its emphasis on rationality and emotional control, can guide us in the often turbulent seas of investing. It teaches us to focus on our long-term goals and strategies, rather than being swayed by the short-term ebbs and flows of the market. It reminds us to accept the inherent uncertainties of the investment landscape, and to maintain our emotional equilibrium during market fluctuations. Consider the Stoic practice of focusing on what we can control. In investing, this translates into making informed decisions based on our own research and analysis, rather than being influenced by market trends or the actions of others. It's about understanding that the market will fluctuate and accepting that these fluctuations are beyond our control. A Stoic investor is a long-term strategist, one who starts early, understanding the power of compound interest, often referred to as the time value of money. The earlier we start, the more time we have to grow our wealth. Diversification is another key strategy. Spreading our investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate, as well as various sectors, helps mitigate risk and smooth out returns over time. This approach aligns with the Stoic practice of temperance or moderation. Staying invested, instead of attempting to time the market, is another Stoic principle in action. It allows us to take advantage of market growth and compounding returns. Similarly, regular investing or dollar-cost averaging helps mitigate the impact of market volatility. Asset allocation, or determining the right mix of investments based on our financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline, is another way we exercise control. Periodic reviews and adjustments to our asset allocation are crucial. Patience, a key Stoic virtue, is essential for long-term investing. It's not about quick profits but about building wealth over time. And lastly, continuous learning. Keeping ourselves educated about financial markets, economic trends, and investment strategies helps us make informed decisions. With Stoicism as our compass, we navigate the investment landscape with confidence and peace of mind.